Okay, now let's take a new look at social work statistics, Module 1, Lesson 1. We have here the basic concepts. Lesson 1, what is statistics and why is it important? For our intended learning outcomes, at the end of the lesson, you will define statistics, contrast the two areas of statistics, and realize the importance of statistics in everyday life. What is statistics and why is the study of statistics important? We have statistics defined. Statistics include numerical facts and figures. For instance, the largest earthquake measured 9.2 on the Richter scale. Men are at least 10 times more likely than women to commit murder. According to DepEd, 8.8 million parents preferred modular modality for their children from Manila Bulletin. Then 22 more cases bring COVID-19 tally in Eastern Visayas to 757 from the Department of Health. The study of statistics involves math and relies upon calculations of numbers. It also relies heavily on how the numbers are chosen and how the statistics are interpreted. So let's try to identify a major flaw in each of the following scenario with each interpretation. First scenario. A new advertisement for Anne and Lenny's ice cream introduced in late May of last year resulted in a 30% increase in ice cream sales for the following 3 months. Thus, the advertisement was effective. But was the advertisement really effective? A major flaw is that ice cream consumption generally increases in the months of June, July, and August, regardless of advertisements. This effect is called a history effect and leads people to interpret outcomes as the result of one variable, when one variable, in this case, one having to do with the passage of time, is actually responsible. So whether or not the advertisement was effective cannot be determined. Number 2. The more churches in a city, the more crime there is. Thus, churches lead to crime. But is the interpretation correct? A major flaw is that both increased churches and increased crime rates can be explained by larger populations. In bigger cities, there are both more churches and more crime. It is not true that churches lead to crime. The third scenario. 75% more interracial marriages are occurring this year than 25 years ago. Thus, our society accepts interracial marriages. But is the conclusion reliable? A major flaw is that we don't have the information that we need. What is the rate at which marriages are occurring? There is simply not enough information to understand fully the impact of the statistics. Thus, the conclusion is not reliable. As a whole, these examples show that statistics are not only facts and figures, they are something more than that. In the broadest sense, statistics refers to a range of techniques and procedures for analyzing, interpreting, displaying, and making decisions based on data. What is the importance of statistics? With the present technology, you are bombarded by data every day. If you cannot distinguish good from faulty reasoning, then you can be very easily manipulated and may make decisions which are not to your best interest. Statistics provides tools that you need in order to react intelligently to information you hear or read. In this sense, statistics is one of the most important things that you can study. Social workers use statistics mainly for research. They engage in a lot of social programs and services and they need statistics to determine its effectiveness. For example, they might want to do research about the efficacy of the intervention given to locally stranded individuals, or LSI, during this pandemic. Statistics are used from the collection of the necessary data up to the analysis and interpretation of the results. Social workers and administrators use the results for decision making. Questions such as, will the program continue or not, will be easily addressed through the use of statistics. Social workers use statistics for many purposes, including but not limited to analyzing behaviors of groups of people in their environment and special situations, and determining the wants of people through statistical sampling. Statistics help in providing data as well as tools to analyze the data. Statistics provide an objective assessment of an activity. It lends credibility to the reports and information that social workers deliver. Statistical knowledge helps you use the proper methods to collect the data, employ the correct analysis, and effectively present the results. Statistics is a crucial process behind discoveries in science, making decisions based on data, and making predictions. Thus, understanding statistical concepts is essential for social work professionals. It is key to understanding research and reaching evidence-based decisions in your own practice. With statistics, you can determine the best interventions for your clients. Okay, so this will be continued in another presentation. Thank you.